Secretarial Practice Chapter 2, Transfer and Transmission of Share. Partnership firm came into existence due to the limitation of sole proprietorship, and as a limitation of partnership firm was there, so this gave birth to the company formation. In a company, no such procedure is required as the other two. In public company, if the shareholder sells his share, his ownership ends. Shares can be easily transferred or easily it can be sold and purchased. Not only that, the person who wants to purchase the share of the same company, again he can purchase and he can be the owner of that proportion. This right is absolute right which cannot be prohibited by the company. A shareholder can voluntarily transfer his share as per provision of the Companies Act. Moreover, when shares are compulsorily transferred by operation of law, then such transfer of share is called transmission of share. Meaning of share transfer: when a shareholder voluntarily sells his share to another, waiving his right to ownership and transfer the title of share in name of the other, is known as share transfer. Here we have to only see that this procedure is treated to be complete only when transfer is approved by the company. Importance of share transfer. This is an important procedure. Here, shareholder uses his rights to transfer his share with the consent of the company, and it is the financial interest of a shareholder. It is a movable asset for shareholders. As Lord Blackburn said, main objective to start joint stock company is to provide easy transfer of share to their members. Purchase and sale of share is conducted in the share market. So, it is known as a barometer of the development of a country, as it's a good source of capital. Share transfer generates income for the government because government has imposed tax on it. Shareholder gets cash on sale of shares. Purchase of shares gets rights of ownership. So here the purchaser gets the benefit. Shareholder is able to get benefits of market variation. Invested fund of inefficient units flow to efficient unit. Share market and capital market grow as a result of share transfer. Free share transfer leads to an increased span and scope of the development of a company. So provision of transfer is specified in the article of association. Sometimes there may be a restriction in the private company, but the right of shareholder cannot be taken away by imposing prohibition on it. So we say a member can, when he wish, sell or gift his share to others. Now, provision regarding transfer of share. There are two: physical shares and demat shares. Physical share, here the share transfer is done physically. That means you are getting a certificate with the name of the company, shareholder's name, and all the important information is there, and the possibility is it can get torn, stolen, or it can be destroyed by fire because it's a physical. Demat share, full form of demat is dematerialized shares. Now this share is not with shareholder physically, but it is in your demat account opened by the shareholder, as we have studied already in the previous chapter when we open the demat account, and that time we are entering all the details of the company's name, shareholder's name and all. So here we do not have any fear of getting lost, torn or getting destroyed by the fire. Company may refuse to transfer share if procedure is not followed satisfactorily. So first is share transfer form. There is a form which is to be filled up properly with all the details of the seller and the purchaser, and then usually this is available at the company register officer and authorized share broker or share market, etc. So this form is to be filled first. Second is share certificate. The share certificate is to be enclosed with the share transfer form. Then you have your unpaid call. There should be no unpaid call on shares. Objection application. There should be no objection by anybody for restricting transfer of shares. If anybody objects or if anybody has an objection regarding your transfer, then again your transfer will not be granted by the satisfactory evidence. If a share transfer form which is duly filled and signed is lost, then the application should be made duly signed by both the parties of the company. They have to make a satisfactory clarification also to the director that it has been lost. If the company has a lien right on transfer share, then it has to be approved for transfer to collect its debt also. Stamp duty. Proper stamp duty should be affixed on the share transfer form as per the market value of the share. Director of the company may refuse to transfer the share if the stamp duty is of less value. Now, once the share certificate is to be transferred, so here the 8th point is share certificate to the new shareholder. So here the company will send the changed share certificate to the new shareholder within 1 month. Rejection of share transfer. This can be rejected in case registrar of the company has put a restriction or court of the law has given a verdict of no transfer. 10th is provision of article of association. For share transfer, provision of Companies Act as well as article of association has to be followed. If they are not followed, again the transfer is not granted. Register of members. Original shareholder's name is continued up to the completion of share transfer procedure. 12th, right of dividend. In case transmission is not completed, expired member or insolvent member is entitled to get the dividend. So in case of a single person company, here on the death of the sole member, what happens is that whoever is being nominated, that person is recognized by the company and he gets the share of the member. Now this nominated member is being informed by the board of directors. This nominated member will get the dividend and the rights and the liabilities, whatever is there. Then on becoming the member, now this nominated person is been subject to a written consent by that person.